morning friends. Now today we understand the journal ledger posting when you have more than 2 debit, more than 2 credit. And if that sort of a journal is there, how the ledger posting is to be done. Here we have a journal that combined journal entry, ledger posting with more than one effect on debit or a credit side. Our regular basic first journal entry that when a owner start a business, you have so many accounts debit and credit. So that journal posting how to do, that is what today we are going to learn. The transaction is that business started with cash rupees 50,000, goods of rupees 40,000, a debtor of rupees 50,000, creditors of rupees 20,000 and a loan also taken from SBI of rupees 1 lakh. So if this is your transaction, the opening journal entry, it's a very common, every businessman start business. So this journal going to be there. So you must know how to do the ledger posting of such journal. Number 1, when cash comes in the business, you have to debit cash account. Here 50,000 owner brought, that to be debited, plus you have taken a loan of that 1 lakh rupee on the same day. So that cash also has come in the business. So your cash account debit is 50,000 plus 1 lakh. So total amount become 1,50,000. Second, the goods. Goods are come in, debit what comes in, goods account to be debited 40,000. Then the debtors. Debtors are your asset. You are your receivables. So you have to have a debit effect for the debtor. So debtors account debit 50,000. Then you have the creditors. Creditors are our liability. All the liabilities have the credit balance, payable. We are responsible to pay them. So to the creditors account 20,000. Then you have taken a loan from SBI. So SBI amount also to be refunded later on. That is also your liability, having the credit balance that rupees 1 lakh. Now the rest of the amount is considered to be capital account. So to capital account plus of all three, 1,50,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000 minus 20,000 minus 1 lakh. So you will get the figure that is 1,20,000. This is your capital. In our journal chapter, we have done this journal entry. So opening journal entry, ledger posting how to do. Now let us decide how many ledger you are in need. You need the one ledger of a cash, second of a goods, third that is of a debtor. Fourth ledger you need of your creditor, fifth ledger of a loan and the sixth ledger of a capital. So I have already prepared the sixth ledger: cash account, goods account, debtor account, creditor account, SBI loan account and capital account. You have to give the number as the new word appear in your account. That ledger is to be open. That account is to be open. So let us begin with the cash account. Cash account you have to go to the debit side. So write down on the debit side of cash account, the money has come in the business, total 1,50,000. How the 1,50,000 has come? Number 1, that is to capital account. Your owner has given you 50,000 and also you have got from SBI loan 1 lakh rupee. Understood? So cash has come in the business by two ways. One, that is what the owner has given you, and the second, you have taken loan from the SBI. So cash account is debited with total figure 1,50,000. So this posting of 50,000 and 1 lakh is done here. Then the second, the goods account. Who has brought in the business goods? That is the owner. So that to capital account. What is the amount of goods? 40,000. So write the 40,000, that is in front of the particular account posting what you are doing. Then you have the debtors account. The debtor is also our asset having the debit balance. So to capital account, amount of debtor is 50,000. Understood? So 50,000 to be recorded. Now we have the creditor. So creditor 20,000. Creditor is your liability. So that liability to be treated on the credit side. The first the debt and then by capital. Who has brought this liability? Owner. What is the amount of creditor? 20,000. So the liability recorded on the credit side and the owner has brought the liability in the business. So 20,000. Then you have SBI loan. You have received a loan. How that loan is received? That is by cash. In the form of a cash, you have received 1 lakh rupee towards the loan. Now the most important one is capital account. Now the capital account, the owner has brought. How many things the owner has brought in the business? Number 1, that is by cash. Owner has brought in the business rupees 50,000. Then by goods, he also brought in the business 40,000. Then you have the debtors. Owner has brought in the business of 50,000. Then you have the creditors. Creditors also brought in by the owner only. So 2 creditors. How much the creditors? 20,000. Clear? The SBI loan already we have written, one at a cash and another at a SBI loan. So SBI loan won't be here. So now if you see the 50 and 50, 1,40,000 minus 20,000. So the capital amount is 1,20,000. So here the posting of capital account is get over. Don't include the loan in the capital. The reason is loan account is a separate account and in the loan account we have received cash. So added to the cash and the loan the liability. How you have generated the liability? By cash. So loan won't come in the capital. In capital, your cash portion will come, goods will come, debtor will come, creditor will come and the rest balance you will be getting that 1,20,000. So in this manner, the opening journal entry ledger posting is to be done. So next class onwards, we will do the complete example in which all sort of a journal will be there. We have learned simple journal entry in the previous class ledger posting. We have learned combined journal entry in which only 3 accounts were there. Ledger posting, and today we have observed when you have more account on debit side, more account on credit side, then how you have to do the ledger posting. So this is a very special journal entry ledger posting. You have to remember that how ledger to be done. Thank you.